Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited about the holiday season. So to bring in the holiday season, we are starting off decorating the living room, and I'm so excited to be able to film this video and to show you all the decorations we came up with for this year. And I hope this video can give y'all a little info on how you want to decorate your beautiful home. Okay you guys, so we basically putting up the decorations from last year. We did add some new items, but y'all, it's Vlogmas, it's here. Y'all already know we don't do all that talking. We just jump into the video. Ain't nothing new. So yeah, 12 days of Christmas, we here. Keep watching.
So Dominique did like the trees down here and then the pine cones up here, but what she was saying is this has pine cones in it, so the flow of it, to see the pine cones on the candlesticks or the candle holders,
it matches a little better.
It matches basically, versus having the trees up here, because the trees, was both the trees up here last year?
I think so. I don't even remember.
However she did it, it's different this year.
Let me get in the footage, because y'all see who behind the camera. This is working in the dining room. So yeah, all this coming. Stay tuned. But y'all know we don't do too much talking. Vlogmas ain't no different. We don't do all that talking. We just show. So yeah, let's get it.
Show no tell.
That's what we got so far. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So I got Destin. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I got Destin putting on the ribbon because I don't know how to do it. Hold on. Let me get a close up.
Can't take them out the store. So kind. Girl, let me know. What kind of message?
Hey, Vlogmas and my beautiful red. Oh, I forgot I got Vlogmas t-shirts. I got the full out.
Next step is the toppers. Y'all already know. Vlogmas ain't no different. We just getting into this video because we just getting into it. I don't know how to insert the toppers.
This goes on the dining room. I knew it was missing. Sit that in there. That goes in the dining room. Told you we was gonna find everything as we unpack it all.
But Destin know to do the topper, not me. So we sending her up the ladder.
Ooh. Oh, T, don't have me up here a long time.
Hold on, I can watch the film. Hold on, bro. Hold on, hold on.
Talented player does this.
See, you supposed to be why don't have me do all this stuff and not noticing if it's good or not.
Phone talking to me, then you tell me to put music on. What you want me to do? Huh? Let me see. It looks fine. Looks great. You're doing great. Oh, I forgot I'm down here. I can get the angles. Girl, what are you for? Smiling, being happy. This is what I have so far. Let me show y'all. It's coming together. It's coming together. Quit playing with it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Stop playing.
Y'all need to come up here and get one of these.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all been seeing on this vlog, you all have been seeing me, right? Because Destin been playing around, eating everything, taking so many breaks. But it's cool, because you know what? I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Because one thing about me, I don't need no nigga.
See, I never noticed how big your butt is.
Leave my booty alone.
Shut up. It's cool when they do it.
Cause when I get a million views on this,
probably not. don't even want to mess with it. You're doing so good.
You done ate 4 times today. Cause nigga made a song about me. I don't need no y'all.
Don't drop no glitter over my food, see.
Forget your food. Okay, y'all, so we're on this phone just talking ignorance. He said Cat Williams is better than Kevin Hart. That's a lie and the truth ain't in.
I said, they don't say that.
Dave Chappelle over Kevin Hart, I choose Kevin Hart.
Pikachu! I choose you!
Trick said she choose Pikachu. Nigga, that ain't no Pokeball! This nigga here throwing Pokeball. Something wrong with this ball. This nigga threw a ball thinking, who you think gonna come out of that? Bro, you think
that's what we should have did. That's what the real should have been. It should have been Pikachu.
I choose you.
And then threw it.
Oh, that can be a public. That can be a public thing. Walking around spraying flat people booty and read them the instructions. The instructions say apply to flat surfaces.
Y'all trifling. That's a good idea there.
Cause I might tell you a joke.
I'm gonna have to take a break to do my
But
description box.
I ain't never told
I
you
gotta
a
public
lie.
that too.
Nah, you ain't taking no break. You took enough break.
Description box.
I don't care. I don't care. Dig them hoes. You think they wanted to take a break?
Yeah.
You think Jesus wanted to take a break when he was carrying that cross? I did. We don't take breaks. Well, I did this you.
I don't get this either. Niggas got me boned. That's why I went and got me a gun, because I shoot a nigga. You think you gonna diss me?
Girl.
You think you gonna turn me down? Yeah. Why'd you do it, man? Because he had me messed up. I told that nigga to give me his number. He said no. What? Excuse me? I think girls have better chances on shooting their shots though, because guys don't be expecting that, so they be like, whoa, and they just be like, yeah, sure thing, whatever you want.
You so lying. I had to deal with
That's why girls can say no to guys more often than not, because it's more often. See what I'm saying?
I had to deal with it because she's my sister.
How you do?
Yeah. I ain't never want to tell you that. I'm just playing.
Well.
I might have picked on you if I was, if I ain't know you. If I ain't know you, you know what I say? It's a little lion look here right there.
What do you say? What do you say about his head?
He said, nah, she ain't lying. Her jokes don't be corny. They just be for her. Lying.
We'll go with that. It ain't for everybody. Talk that noise. Yeah.
Well, they get some better way of saying she lied. Cause I might tell you a joke, but I ain't never gonna tell you a lie. Yeah. We gotta
You
have
did
something.
so
I'm about to
good.
see our decorations. I'ma cry.
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, we're gonna have to have an event more than you two need to see our
Fireplace lit. Sit there. Hey y'all, so the tree is done. I used majority of the boughs. They just like,
okay.
I say about 20 left. I got sick of trying to stuff them on there, so. Destiny about to do the last part.
I'm about to slide the tree back and then put the skirt on. Dominique really did the majority of the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna slide it back. The skirt, I remember we got from Amazon, like last year, I think.
Hold on, I might have to, hold on.
Is it rocking?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to grab that top while you do it and hold it.
I didn't want to turn it. That means that the topper, because the topper I positioned to right when you come in from there to face it. Hold on. Is it in the corner more? Turn that one. There we go. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to push again. One more time. I should do it. Now turn. That should do it. Alright. Now for the skirt.
Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a tour at the end, but y'all already know we don't do all that filming because I like to just get to the point. So tour coming when the whole house complete. Stay tuned.
Lovely weather for a stay right together with you. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.